Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Hello everyone, this is Wally Yang from Huawei headquarters. I'm the Senior Marketing Director for Huawei. Today I'm here very happy to introduce the latest Huawei Mate X. Huawei Mate X is world's first and also fastest 5G foldable smartphone. So which I introduce you can see here, the Mate X is a big screen smartphone. It's 6.6 inch, full screen, no punch hole, and also no notch. You can enjoy the big screen. And there is a release key. When you release it, it can transform to an 8-inch, also full screen tablet. The Huawei Mate X is one with the 2K display, and the features, there are 2 batteries. The total battery capacity is 4,500 mAh. With the latest Huawei Supercharge, we provide you the 55 watts. So it's a quick charge, can support 30 minutes to fulfill your 85% power capacity. And this is with the Balong 5000, the latest Huawei, the 5G chipset. This one, the modem support you the fastest the download speed. It can support the 4.6 GB per second download rate. So you can see this device can for you mobile and also for tablet use. For example, the 2K screen give you a very good experience about the visual experience. And we have the split screen, so we can split the screen to have the multitasking. So no matter you can do the video, GPS, or you can do the productivity or entertainment all together. The secret for the Mate X is about the unfold and the fold, the hinge part. We call it like a Falcon Wing design. By this design, when you fold device, there is no gap here and can do the 180 degree. So Huawei Mate X is the world's first and the best so far the foldable devices in the market. We will launch in India market in the second half of this year. Thank you very much.